We're cruising, ladies and gentlemen. We are cruising. Alrighty, guys, we made it to the new spot, and we're gonna try to catch some walleye, maybe even some catfish. So, Xander, you're gonna be targeting the catfish. Do you want me to go for the walleye? Dude, I can't wait to get killed by a snake here. Ah! Oh gosh. First cast be like. YouTube shorts be like. Yep. Alrighty, go rebait.
Our only hope right now is Ethan.
Oh yeah, I got us, boys.
Carrying the boy.
Cast her in this little pocket because the current's pushing that way, and you see how that log creates the drag, and then there's a yeti right here. Cast right where I casted that one time where I got a bite. Because I'm assuming that's where they're sitting because there's no current, and they're waiting for the bait fish to come down, and then once the bait fish come down, they just crush them in this yeti right here. I'm going to reel up here so you can fish it. So cast like in there, okay? I'll get out of your way. Perfect. Perfect. Just let her sit on the bottom. Just wait. Where?
Right where my line is.
Oh yeah?
Where there is no internet.
But only thing you catch is backlashes, baby.
People back in the day when they were like Vikings or whatever came in, they would literally have.
Oh, fish it! Get it, Xander. Fish on?
Yep.
Really? What is it? Okay, I'm gonna net him. What is it?
I'm not sure.
Walleye? Catfish! Zooey mama!
Yes, sir.
Oh, it's too small, but oh, wow, nice fish. Catfish here at the Rock River much. Calm down.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a picture.
Gonna catch him like a bullhead. Xander caught one, folks. Small channel catfish, but that is the right species, and that was what we are looking for. Maybe we can go get the big camera and go show them to the big camera.
Hold her up.
Hey, channel catfish. Yes.
Hold on. That was terrible.
Channel catfish, baby.
Alright.
We just lost a giant, guys, like behemoth. So, hey, it's okay.
Here, I'll let you.
Yeah, it's alright, Xander. That would have
Hey,
been
we'll
a
get
keeper.
him
That would
back.
have been a keeper
We'll
for
get him
sure.
back.
That would have been a keeper.
We'll get him
but,
back.
Yeah, we'll get him back. We gotta scream, can I get a Hoya? Maybe Rock Valley will provide.
Two center over here.
They-
Sports wise.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Can I get a Hoya? Alrighty, guys. So we just got another tiny channel catfish. So what we're doing right now is we're just the Yeti. What's happening is the current's coming down, and these channel catfish are sitting in that little tiny pocket right there, waiting for the bait fish to come in, and then they kill them. So we've just been catching really little ones, but hopefully we catch a big channel catfish. We'll see you in the next fish.
Let's get some more.
Yeah.